Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing wonderfully. I hope that you guys, for those of you that work today, I hope you had a non-stressful day, like you were not stressed as much. And for those of you that are entrepreneurs that work from home, that work online, that own your own business, I hope you guys, you were having fun working today, helping other people make money as well as yourself, being able to spend time with your family. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Velvet Davis. I am an online entrepreneur. I've been helping people make money since I started my YouTube channel in 2017. I said 2014, but that's when I started working online in 2014. But 2017 is the year that I created my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel went viral after that just because I posted up a video on Prize Rebel, and that video got a lot of views on it. A lot of people were watching that video, and a lot of people made money because of my video. A lot of people were telling me how they made money, and they didn't have a tips or tricks video. And all of a sudden, because I looked at YouTube and I searched Prize Rebel, there were not that many Prize Rebel videos on tips and tricks on YouTube. So I made a tips and trick Prize Rebel tips and tricks 2017 video. I didn't even know the video went viral until it didn't, well, not viral, but it got a lot of views. I'm talking in the thousands. So it made my YouTube channel explode. So that's why I'm at 460 subscribers today and counting. Almost every day someone subscribes to my channel because I help them make money online, basically. I'm showing you guys what I do to make money, and if you decide to sign up, you can make money too, okay? And I know it could be from $1 to $5 to $3 to $2 to $10 to $50 to $20, $100, whatever. It doesn't matter. I tell you guys what I do to make money on these sites, and you guys can copy that if you want or come up with your own routine, okay? So if you're new to this channel, welcome. It's Dollars Make Sense, and what I would like for you to do is like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Also, if you stay all the way to the end of the video, towards the end, if you're interested in making like higher amounts, if you're interested in making the big amounts of money, I'm talking $100 and plus, then stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you what what you can do to earn that amount, okay? So we're going to get into this video right here. It's on the site called Earn Doing, and it's a get paid to site. For those of you who don't know what that means, it's a PTC, a GPT, get paid to click, get paid to. You get paid to search, you get paid to watch videos, you get paid to click on stuff, you get paid to take surveys, click on ads, you get paid to take surveys. It's called a GPT get paid to, and you can fill in the blanks, okay? So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you this site, show you guys how you can earn on here and what you can do. Show you what I recently discovered and the routine I'm going to be using. You guys can use this as well if this shows up on your site, in your country. Okay, so let's go over here. What am I doing here? Okay, hold on. I'm supposed to be logging in here. Register. Account. Hold on, you guys. Okay, here we are on my dashboard. I'm logged in. So here we are on my dashboard, okay? And I've worked this site for a while, and I'm going to leave the referral link below if you guys decide you want to sign up. But I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, currently I have 610 points. Basically, that's basically nothing really right now. I don't have enough points to cash out, but that's just how much I have. It says 610, okay? So if we click on earn here, this is the routine I'm showing you. Okay, so paid to click. You click on this. This is what I do, okay? This is where I can get paid to click ads, okay? Each of these ads is 10 cents. 10 points, basically. 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, okay? And there's 6. There's 25 of these ads right here, you guys. 25. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I want to count this so I can prove to you there's 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so, and it's 10 points each. Okay, so you guys can come on here. It says your advertisement clicks will reset 6 hours, 46 minutes, 48 seconds. So in 6 hours, you can 46 in 6 hours you can come back on here and redo this. Okay, just a little tip: every time midnight, it always resets. So if this, excuse me. For instance, if this was set on Eastern Standard Time at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock my time would be 12 o'clock on Eastern Standard Time, because it's, 9 o'clock here means it's midnight there. So you guys can come back on here and redo this, okay? That's just the first one. This is a paid to click wall right here, basically. You get paid to click on ads, okay? Next one. I'm showing you guys this. You need to pay close attention, because this is what you can do on here to make money, okay? This is how I got the 610. Okay, so the first one we talked about was paid to click, right? The second one is minute staff, where you just get paid to view pages. You just basically click on it, you click on the ad, and you let the page load. And once the page is done loading, you click off of it and you get credited. That's the second thing you can do. It's called minute staff, okay? The third thing you can do is ClicksWall, is another pay to click. Okay, you just let it load. It'll show you the ad. You click on the ads, and you get 28. See these? You click on these, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, look at these. You guys, I'm telling you. And there's another one, Ad ClicksWall. This one is, I believe it's a different one. Let's see here. But those are the 4 ways you can earn on this site if you choose to do that. You can do the surveys, you can do whatever you want. But that's just what I do, because I'm familiar with clicking ads and getting my points that way. Okay? So, letting the page load so you guys can see it. Takes a minute here. Okay, there we go. Okay, hold on. It's still loading. Okay, so you see, you click on, like I showed you guys, you click on it, a little bar is going to load up. Well, let me show you. Let me just click on it real quick. Okay. All you do is wait for the page to load. Wait for this up here to stop spinning. And when it stops, see how it stopped? Now you're going to find the star, and you're going to click on the star. When this loads, it's going to say okay, and that means you can exit out of it. Once it says okay. See, it says okay, that means you did it. And you're done. You just exit out, and you go and you refresh it. Okay, you don't refresh it, I guess. But it'll credit you. It'll credit you here. Okay? So, like I said, you guys, I would really, really look into that. This is a really good site. You do paid to click, ClicksWall, minute staff, and then Ad ClicksWall. Those are the 4 things you can do on the site to earn money. And once you get up to $1, you cash out. So let me show you that really quick before the video ends. You have to earn 1,000 points, 10,000, I believe, to get up to $1. Okay, so that's all the time we have. If you like this video, leave a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. All right, take care, guys.